have 5,118 beneficiaries of PDM. We have 48 circles under Emioga. Your Excellency, you did not stop there, even if we were not seeing you physically, but we were hopeful that our Father will come one day, and you blessed us in this gateway to West Nile. We thank you for choosing West Nile and choosing Pakwa District as the first place of your campaign in West Nile. The people of Akwasa are so joyous. Your Excellency, you did not stop there by blessing us. Under the full Paris Development Program, we have received a lot. We have received in terms of the beneficiaries in land. However, Your Excellency, the people of Pakwash cannot progress extensively in terms of land and in diversifying agriculture because of the land question, which is a very key issue to the people of Pakwash. That is a Plango issue, which they request you to make a declaration on. You will be the first president after the 8-9 presidents in this country that will resolve the issue of the land question of Palango, which is across in the east of the Nile. In 1969, Your Excellency, if we were to remind you, the late Martin Ukela Bey, the MP, made a request in Parliament requesting the then President Milton Obote to return the people of Junam in the east of the Nile. It did not take place. In 1971 to 1979, it did not take place. In 1981 to 1985, it did not take place. 1986 to 2025, it will take place through your leadership. Your Excellency, we equally appreciate that you have made a political landmark in Jordan. We have gotten again in a political appointment. We thank you for appointing our own Jashan Omach, whom you named yourself as Jashan Jalonyo, as the Vice Chair of National Resistance Movement Electoral Commission. Your Excellency, you did not stop there. The fishing industry, you gave us 16 billion to construct the modern fish handling facility to promote export. That was done, but before commissioning of that, Your Excellency, the water rise, which is a disaster, affected that project, and it was swallowed up by water, which affected another project of government in Panyimur Town Council, the modern market in the fishing sector, always consumed not less than 20 billion of government. That affected the fishing industry, but our people were still consistent as they were growing back and they were stabilizing with the disaster. Your Excellency, the FPU operations came on. The FPU operation affected the fishing industry. We are requesting, Your Excellency, that you have already come here. Today, the people of Pakwash are requesting a reform of the FPU operations on the water to stop harassment of the fishermen, if they can. We need community policing. Under your own guidance, in August, you said the fishing community